In this video, we'll use a real-world scenario to demonstrate how to calculate probabilities for normal distributions and answer some practical questions. Imagine you're a data analyst at a hospital. You know that newborn babies generally fall within a certain weight range, but there's always some variation. How can you use this information to answer practical questions like: what's the probability of a baby being born with a low birth weight? How many babies can we expect to fall within the normal weight range? What weight separates the heaviest babies from the rest? These are just a few examples of the practical questions we'll tackle in this video. We'll use the z-table, which acts as a lookup table for probabilities within the normal distribution. To calculate probabilities within the normal distribution, we first standardize the data values using z-scores. Then, we look up the standard normal distribution table, which provides the cumulative probability to the left of a given z-score. The weights of newborn babies at a particular hospital follow a normal distribution with a mean of 3,200 grams and standard deviation of 450 grams. To calculate the probability of a baby weighing less than 2,800 grams, we must first standardize this value by converting it to a z-score. The z-score indicates how many standard deviations a value is away from the mean. Using the z-score formula, we find that 2,800 grams corresponds to a z-score of -0.89. Finally, we refer to the standard normal distribution table, which provides the cumulative probability to the left of any given z-score. In this case, the table indicates that the probability of a baby weighing less than 2,800 grams corresponds to z-score of -0.89 is 0.1867. Now, to calculate the probability that a randomly selected newborn weighs between 3,000 grams and 3,500 grams, we convert the normal distribution to a standard normal distribution by calculating the respective z-scores for each weight. The z-score for 3,000 gram is -0.44 and the z-score 3,500 grams is 0.67. In the standard normal distribution table, the cumulative probability associated with these z-score of -0.44 is 0.33 and the cumulative probability associated with these z-score of 0.67 is 0.7486. The probability of a newborn's weight falling between 3,000 and 3,500 grams is represented by the area under the standard normal curve between these two z-scores. To find this probability, we subtract the smaller cumulative probability from the larger one. Therefore, the calculated probability is approximately 0.4186, or 41.86%. This means approximately 41.86% of newborns are expected to weigh between 3,000 grams and 3,500 grams. The hospital classifies babies in the top 10% of birth weights as larger than average. To determine the minimum weight for this classification, we need to find the weight corresponding to the 90th percentile of the normal distribution. This problem is different from our previous calculations because we know the desired probability and need to find the corresponding weight. To do this, we reverse our usual process. First, we will find the z-score for the 90th percentile. Using the standard normal distribution table, we locate the value closest to 0.9000. This corresponds to a z-score of approximately 1.28. Then, we will use the z-score formula to solve for the x value. The corresponding x value is 3,776 grams. Therefore, the minimum weight for a newborn to be classified as larger than average is 3,776 grams.